Greetings, Brake World. This is the Brake Bug coming at you. Today we're working on a 2013 Dodge Avenger. It's an SC model. We're doing the rear brake pads and brake pads only. As you know, on my videos I start off with the car jacked up, tires off. If you can't do that much, I don't suggest you do your own brakes. I'm going to break the caliber bolt, and it's a size, I think it's a 9/16. 9/16? Yeah, I believe it is. Okay. It might be a little stiff, so just remove the rear bottom bracket. I want to pull the caliper up halfway, stick my screwdriver in on that piston, and I want to push back real slowly as opposed to using a C-clamp. This is another way that you can just do it. All I'm doing is just pushing this piston back with the screwdriver and using the rotor as a prying. Take the old pad out. Everything, the pads are worn down. This one has a clip that's holding it in. So I just usually bend these forward a little bit just to take pressure off of it. And then they'll come out. Put the new pad in on the other side. Okay. Outer pad. Just clamps down. Put a little bit of lubricant on that pin on the bottom because it looked a little dry. Just a bead is all you need. Put that in. Alright, rotate the caliper a little bit. Make sure nothing's dragging out. Alright, put the tire back on, start the car, step on the brake 5 to 7 times to get pressure. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next brake job. Have a good day.